way, do not scroll down. If you feel tight hips, today's practice is for you. Tight hip can discomfort your lower back, limit your mobility, and hold on to stress. So, stay with me. Let's begin by bringing soles of the feet together and letting the knees gently fall open. Sit up nice and tall. Rest your hands whenever feels comfortable. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. If your knees do not comfortably drop toward the floor, you can place a yoga block, a folded blanket, or a cushion under your hips for extra support. Bring one leg in front of you and the other behind both knees. Bend around 90 degrees. Sit as tall as you can. If sitting upright feels challenging, place a yoga block or fold a blanket under your hips. Inhale to lengthen, exhale and soften into your hips. Keep breathing. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Let's release all the tension of your back and hips. Now switch the side. Sit as tall as you can. Close your eyes if it feels comfortable. Do not hold your breath. Inhale, exhale. With every exhale, take out all the tension, all the stress you've been carrying out for so long. You do not need them anymore. Just release them and let them go. Bring your front foot across the opposite leg. Place your hands on center of your heart and twist your upper body one time to the left and come back to center and try the other side to the right. With every inhale, grow taller. With every exhale, explore the twist without forcing. Inhale, lengthen through your spine. Exhale, gently twist. Keep going. Be here at this moment. Back to center when you're ready. Come to tabletop. Spread your fingers wide. Tuck your toes. And lift into downward dog. Breathe at this moment. Relax your head and neck. Inhale, exhale, and lengthen through your spine. And go to Malasana. Walk your feet to the top of the mat. If your heels do not reach the floor, place a folded blanket underneath them. Take a slow breath. Soften your hips. Inhale, exhale, do not hold your breath. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Feel all the tension around your hips and legs and release all of them. Now go to forward fold, relax your head and neck. Inhale. and exhale. Try to not round your back. Now inhale into half lift, lengthen your spine. Exhale and fold once more. Now bend your knees. Inhale and back to natural. Exhale. Just release all the remaining tension of your hips, backs, body, mind. Step your right foot back into low lunge. Lift through your chest. Bring both hands up to the sky. Now goes to lizard pose. Breathe both hands inside your front foot. Breathe deeply. And move into pigeon pose. Lift your chest first. Exhale and slowly fall forward over your front leg if that feels comfortable. If not, stay here. Stay for a few. Slow breathe. Make sure your hips square. Find your position here. Find your balance. Now return to center and repeat the opposite sides for low lunge, lizard, and pigeon pose. We're gonna repeat it one more time for the opposite side. Go to low lunge first. Lift through your chest. Hands up to the sky. Be here for a moment and breathe. Now bringing both hands inside your front foot for lizard pose. Breathe deeply. Stay here for as much as you can. Move into pigeon pose now. Lift your chest. Stay for a few. Slow breathe. Move slowly and breathe with each transition. You're doing great. Thanks yourself for being here to help yourself to releasing all the tensions. Now go to child pose. Bring your big toes together, knees wide, and sink back into child pose. Walk your hands forward as much as you can. Listen to your body. Rest your forehead on the mat. And take one last deep breath in and slowly let it go when you're ready. I hope your hips feels more open, your body feels lighter, and your mind feels more relaxed. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you enjoyed today's practice, do not forget to like this video, subscribe channel, and share it with someone who might need it. Take care of yourself. Keep moving. I'll see you in the next class. Feels so much lighter. I hope you feel the same. Thank you for practicing with me. Namaste.